Creepers! What's up, you crazy creeps? We are back, and we are here at the Salish, I believe you call it, ponds, right behind the Salish Lodge Apartments. We're gonna go take a look at a little hiking trail. We got Penelope with us, and yeah, just gonna do a little creeping around the Salish ponds. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a good one. Pretty good job of laying out where, you know, laying the land out for us. There's a couple big ponds through here, hence the name. And yeah, we're just gonna get out and do a little Salish wetland park little hike here with Penelope and Mama Creeper. So yeah, I've never been here before. As you can see, they've got these big ponds all the way around. We wanted to get out and just kind of enjoy the day. It is beautiful. It's a little windy, but blue skies. And yeah, I think there's some bridges and just some things to kind of look at as we make our way through the little trail. Oh look, there's some ducks too already. Look it, look it. You see them? Hey little buddies.
What's the name of it, Christopher?
Salish. I think I'm saying it right, yeah.
Salish?
S-A-L-I-S-H. Got some doggies coming here. Okay, come over here and be a good girl. Got some doggies coming, but she's doing pretty good actually, I have to say. She's doing a lot better. She's learning. Good morning. Oh, what a good doggie. Pretty eyes. Come on, let's go. Yeah, this is nice. This is kind of just a little change of scenery. And we kind of just found these by chance. We actually went to the high school, Reynolds High School, and then realized it's actually behind the middle school. So we found it. It took a little while to get here, but it's well worth it. These people have a nice view here. The balcony's kind of facing the pond area here behind us. All right, let's keep going. I like this though. Blue skies. Look at that. Wow, look at this. That is pretty this morning. Absolutely. All right, I gotta catch up because they're way down there. Oh, this is cool. Got this little placard here of the different, you know, wildlife you may encounter. Possum, some turtle, a gray squirrel. Oh, look at this. Long-eared bats. Okay, girl, we're going. That's pretty darn cool, though, that you can see all these. Oh, wow, look at that. Bald eagle. There's a ton of wildlife out here. Okay, we're going. Hopefully we see some of these guys. Maybe not that snake, but some of these eagles and stuff. Okay, we're going, girl. Okay. Okay. We're going. East Pond Trail. Okay, I see we are there. And we're maneuvering our way. A4. Alright. Just had to use the beeper
get
on
over
her.
here. Hey, sit down.
We just had to use the beeper because she wasn't listening. And now she's being such a good girl.
Yeah.
It wasn't turned up, which is a good thing. I don't really want to have it turned too high up. You know what I'm saying?
You don't want to hurt her.
Exactly. But it's a good thing that it works because it's for her own safety too. Right, girl? Do you want to walk out on this with me, Mom?
Okay.
This is the Alex Brown Dock. Not Doc Brown, but the Alex Brown Dock. This is cool. This is cool. What a beautiful view, huh? Oh wow, it's even kind of maneuvering. Yeah, this is pretty darn cool. It's a nice little walk out to it. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, we're double vlogging. Gosh, look at the beautiful sky right now too. Are you a crybaby, 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 crybaby? What? What? Oh gosh, everything's so crazy. Pronounced Inatai Bridge at Salish Ponds, pronounced Inatai, a Chinook word meaning the other side. Right across this little wooden trestle here. Very cool. Yeah, I'm really liking this right now. Oh look, we've got another little marker here showing where we are and where you can fish. Fishing is limited to designated fishing areas. Nice. Yeah, I didn't know you could fish here too. Oh, it looks like somebody's actually down here fishing. Maybe we can talk to him for a second. Oh, I see. So here's another one. If you look down there in the water, there's a marker. Number 10. So this is a spot that you can fish. That's pretty darn cool. You mind if I film you, bud? Cool. I always like to ask just for good measure. What are you catching here, man?
Rainbow.
Rainbow, nice. That is very cool. Yeah, I noticed that they had the little things in the water poking out. That must be like the designated spots.
Yeah, for sure.
Very cool. You got any luck today?
Little guy this morning.
Oh, very cool.
Nothing crazy.
That's awesome, dude. I didn't know you could actually fish and...
They've got some trophies out here.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang, no joke. Hey, bro, thanks for sharing. That's way cool of you. Good luck to you.
Hey, thank you.
What's the old saying? I'd rather be fishing. This is the spot. Take care. Oh, wow. Look at this guy, too. This is just like all wildlife. What do you think, Penelope? I don't know. Those guys, there's only one of you and two of them. It's okay, little buddies. Yeah, I don't know about the geese. I've had bad luck them chasing. Yeah. They're honking at you. Okay, that's enough. You be nice. Okay, fellas, we're out of here. Sorry. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. No, they stalked them too. So here's a nice spot. Nice little platform. And they were saying you catch a rainbow. That is awesome. Good day for it, I have to say. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, good luck to you guys. I hope you catch something good.
Peace out.
Peace out. Very cool. Gosh, this is a cool spot, man. I am very stoked to find this. Very stoked. What about you, girl? Are you having a good old time? Yeah, you are. Okay, we're going. We're cool. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Oh, you are so sweet. I wanted to see you, but mine's a brat, so I have to have her hold him. And what's his name?
Her name's Sol.
Oh, her name. What is it?
Sol.
Soul. Oh my gosh, you're so soft. Thanks for sharing, you guys. That's awesome. Definitely don't want to swim or boat in here, though, it says. looking little swamp. Just kind of, oh nice, look at, there's like a little creek that runs right beside all this. Look at the robot and the alien. Nice. Yeah, I had no clue this existed. Looks like the kids from the school did it. Fairview. Yep. It's pretty back in here. I believe so, or Fairview Bridge. Could be. I think you're right though, Halsey. Cute wiener dogs. I hear ya. I hear ya. Well, what do you think? Should we keep going or should we call it? I think so. We've walked a pretty good walk. All right. Pretty cool. I didn't know any of this existed. Did you? No. It's a good spot to end it. Oh, you dropped one of your gloves, Mom. Yeah, grab your glove.
Okay, I'm gonna make a fast walk there.
Are you okay? I'll be behind you. I'm just ending the video. That's gonna do it for today. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. You can ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. If you did enjoy this, give it a big thumbs up. Till next time. How do I end it, Mom?